I want to show you one more thing. So let's turn the camera on me. Hello. Okay, so this is another tool that I use a lot with my students. I don't know if you can see this. Actually, giant, I want to show you this. These are actually giant Post-its, and I talk a lot more about giant Post-its in my study tutorial, but I use them all the time. But I want to show you what I here. I just made a very mock calendar, okay, 1 week and 2 week. But this is what the key are. These are little stickies. Each sticky, again, color-coded, and each sticky represents a different subject. So our pink is math, our orange is English, and then our green is science. And what's wonderful about these is you can use these and make a million of them to do your study blocks. So you can, again, this is another great visual way to determine if you've got too much time on one subject, not enough time on another. Some kids like this, they even keep it up as they're studying, because what they'll say is if I English that day, then they need to basically, which is what I really like about it, they have to do 2 blocks of English. That if you've determined that these are the amount of blocks that you kind of need, you can move these along as you go. If you don't want to use something like this, actually purchase a Post-it calendar. You can find those on Amazon. They have blank calendar pages, and then on the side, they give you 4 colors of Post-its that come with it. We use that as well, but if you don't want to spend the money, a package of these Post-its are $5 on Amazon.